perimenopausal glow? Can I really get it back? That's one of the common questions I get all the time. If you ever looked in the mirror during perimenopause or just late 30s, early 40s, and thought to yourself, where did my glow go? Many of my clients tell me that all of a sudden they feel like dull, their skin looks tired, they're older, and they don't feel like that inside, but they feel like the skin is not reflecting who they are. The good news is that the glow is not gone forever. In this video, I would actually like to explain what happens to your glow in perimenopause and share the exact ways how you can bring that beautiful glow that radiates how you feel inside on the outside. This isn't just about vanity. Glow is about how we feel when we look in the mirror. It's confidence, it's our vitality, and it's the energy you give. It's very important because the way you see yourself in the mirror, that's how it's gonna affect all aspects of your life. It's not vain and it's not over exaggerating. It's being a woman, and I totally understand because I am the same way. Especially when you know that you are eating healthy, you're hydrating, you might be even using good products, and still the glow is still missing. And this can be very discouraging. It's very annoying. But I promise you, you can restore the glow, and it can return with the right care and just a few adjustments that you need to make, obviously, if it's not working, right? So first let's talk about why does the glow fades in perimenopause or during the hormonal changes, right? Why do we all of a sudden look dull? So we need to know that the cells start to turn over slower, so that's why the skin looks dull. Decreasing collagen, hydration gives us less bounce and less radiance. Our barrier is weaker, which causes irritation and redness. Hormonal shifts are causing breakouts and pigmentation, right? And this is all working together. And glow is really just light reflection of a smooth, hydrated, health surface. And during the perimenopause or hormonal change, your skin needs a little more help to get there. It's not radiating because it's not hydrated, and it's not glowing because it's just feeling dull, right? So the key is you need to exfoliate, but it has to be very gentle. Don't scrub, don't use any scrub. Use enzyme exfoliants such as Cran Glow from Spela skincare. You have to nourish and hydrate your skin very deeply. Focus on serums that have stem cells. They will repair your barrier, such as our stem cell infusion serum and epidermal repair serum that will really help repair your barrier. Use lipids in your routine. Toners, moisturizers have a lot of lipids, and make sure you use antioxidant. Our complex vitamin C serum is a great antioxidant, so is our Mandelic brightening cleanser, right? So just make sure you target the skin and supply with what it needs and what's missing to give it that beautiful glow. When it comes to professional treatments, facials are very good to stimulate circulation and the cell renewal. If facials are not the option to go, then maybe look into the Time Master Pro. It's a home tool that will greatly improve the health of your skin. Glow in perimenopause isn't about chasing your 20-year-old skin. It's about redefining your radiance in this season of life, and you embrace it. Healthy, luminous skin is possible. It just looks a little different now than it used to, but it's beautiful, and I'm sure you don't want to return back to your 20s altogether, maybe with the skin, but not with all other aspects. And if you're ready to start glowing again, I have linked some of my favorite products that work really well in perimenopause or during the hormonal changes and treatments below. And I would love to hear in your comments what's the one thing you are missing most about your glow. Like, what is missing the most? Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. I'll be sharing in my next video #1 ingredient that every woman needs in their 40s and below, well, in late 30s, 40s, and past 40s. That will really change the way you glow and the way you see yourself in the mirror.